In ArcGIS Pro, we often have a shapefile that we want to export as an image. However, when we export it, the image usually has a white background, and sometimes we don't want that. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your map with a transparent background like this one, so only your shapefile or map layers are visible without any white background. Let's see how to do that. First, import your shapefile into ArcGIS Pro. Then right-click the layer, choose Zoom to Layer to focus on it. Next, go to Share tab and click on Export Map. Before exporting, make sure to turn off any base map layers that you don't want to include in your image. In the File Type drop-down, select PNG. If you want to include the selection symbology, check on this Show Selection Symbology, so that if you select, the symbology of selection will be exported. But usually we do not need this. Let's clear the symbology. You can change the image size. Let's make it 1200. Turning on Show Preview will display the exact area that's going to be exported. If you want to include georeferencing information, enable the option to write world file. This will export a .wld file along with your image. Finally, the most important part, under color depth, make sure to select 32-bit with alpha. This ensures that your exported image maintains a transparent background. Now click on Export. The image has been exported. Let's view the exported file. And you can see that we have successfully exported the shape without background. Thanks for watching.